Hello students. So today we are going to discuss about areas of rectilinear figure. As you are observing the heading, it's some wavy like structures. So that is for stability of my mind. So avoid this one. Areas of rectilinear figures. Today we are going to discuss. Before we discuss this type of concept, this topic, all of you must learn the standard unit of area and their interconversion given in every book. For example, if it's given, we know that in 1 centimeter we have 10 millimeter. So in case of square, 1 centimeter square, we can multiply each number, it's a 1 millimeter square. Likewise, we can say that 1 meter we have 100 centimeter. Clear? So in 1 meter square, we have 100 into 100, that is 10,000 centimeter square. Hope this is clear to you. You have to learn all this type of conversion given in every book so that you can easily understand the problems given in your topic. Now move to the next part. Today we are going to discuss about area and perimeter of rectangle. So before we start, we must know the formula or concept to finding the different things. Always remember that in case of rectangle, we have one side known as L, one side is known as your breadth. Always remember, longest side is always length and smaller size is your breadth. So perimeter means total boundary. Perimeter or circumference is your boundary, complete boundary, measurement of boundary of figure. So in this case it's a rectangle. There are 2L, 2 breadth. So formula is 2 into length plus breadth. This is the area of this is the perimeter of rectangle. Now in case of area, always remember area is multiply of each side, length into breadth. This is length, this is breadth, you multiply the sides, so we get the area. And remember, unit of perimeter is simply the measurement of length unit, and in this case we have millimeter square, meter square, likewise. Other thing says that length of diagonal. So diagonal length of a rectangle is under root length square plus breadth square. So these three are the concept to find the area and perimeter of a rectangle. Similarly, we are going to discuss about square also. So in case of square, as we know that all sides are equal. So in case of square, perimeter, all sides are equal. So perimeter equals to 4 into side. Area equals to side into side, or your side square, and diagonal of a diagonal equals to under root side. It's not under root side square, it's a side plus side square plus side square, 2 side square, or we can write down side into root 2, likewise. So these are the formula, you must learn all these formulas. move to the question answer problem part. Let me run the board first. First question says that find, in this chapter I am going to solve some selective questions so that you can easily understand the concept, and rest of the questions you have to solve by yourself. Find in hectares the area of a square shaped field 14 km long. Means field is of square shape, each side equals to 14 km long, and you have to find out the area in hectare. So first find out the area. Area of a square equals to, we know that the formula is side whole square. All of you must write down the formula first. Then it's a 14 km whole square, and this is your 14 is a 56, it's a 196 kilometer square, 196 kilometer square. And as we know that 1 hectare equals to as we know that 1 kilometer square equals to 100 hectare. Question says that you have to convert this into hectare, so therefore 196 kilometer square equals to 19600 hectare. Hope this one is clear to you. Now move to the next question. Find out the area of a rectangular plot, one side of which is given and diagonal is given. So first draw the figure. Question says that find the area of a rectangular plot whose one side, suppose it's a length is 48 meter given and diagonal is given. This one is given to you. It's a 50 meter. Question says that find the area. As we know that diagonal of rectangle equals to under root L square plus B square, and this is already given to us. 50 equals to under root 48 square plus B square. When you solve it, square both sides, so we have 2500 equals to 48 square plus B square. Or if you try to solve quickly, you can write down likewise. 50 square, we are squaring both sides, equals to this side 48 square removed plus B square. I am solving this side again. As we know, therefore B square equals to 50 square minus 48 square. Now we know the concept of A square minus B square, but we use that one over here, 50 minus 48 or 50 plus 48. It's a 2 into 98, 2 8 is 16, 9 18, 2 8 is 16, 2 9 is 18, 196. B square equals to 196. So what about B? B equals to 14. So hope this is yours. Other side, now we can easily find out the area. Area equals to length into breadth. Length is your 48 and breadth is your 14. When you multiply, you have the answer. So solve, multiply by yourself. Now let's move to the next question. Now we are going to discuss another question There is a question that tiles of area is given, it's a 15 centimeter square, and area of room is of floor is given, that we need to cover from those small tiles. So question says that find the number of tiles to cover the given area. So let's start. Here area of room is given, or area of floor is given. Question says that how many tiles of area 15 centimeter square will be needed to cover a floor 5.85 meter by 6.90 meter. Means area of floor equals to 5.85 into 6.90. We are not going to multiply, but we can change the unit. It's a meter square. Area of tiles already given to you. It is 15 centimeter square. 15 centimeter square. We have to convert this, either this into centimeter or this into meter. So that I am going to convert this into meter. As we know in rough side, as we know that in 1 centimeter, in 1 meter we have 100 centimeter. So in 1 meter square we have 10,000 centimeter square. So 15, when we convert 15 centimeter into meter, we divide 15 by 10,000. How this convert? That 1 centimeter square equals to 1 upon 10,000. This is your rough work, and you must keep these things in your mind. From this we can convert this one. Okay. Now area of tiles, floor given, number of tiles equals to area of floor by area of tiles. Area of floor means what? It's this one, 5.85 into 6.90 divided by area of tiles 15 upon 1000. 15 upon 10, so not 10,000, 1000, so 10,000. It's a, now it is a pure number, so there is no need to write the unit. Solve it this side. 5.85 into 6.90, 15 into 10,000. Hope you can easily, that side visible for you. Is good. Now this is your solution. Try to solve it. See here, after decimal 2 digit, here after decimal 2 digit, means we need total 4 digit, and we have 40 also in multiply form 10,000. So here we can easily write down, it's a 585, remove the decimal, and 690, remove the decimal by 15. It's a 15 4s are 60, 15 6s are 90. It's a 585 into 46. To multiply, it is your answer. In this video, I am not going to multiply. It is your work, because I am observing that many of you simply note down the concept, note down the solution given by me. They are unable to. You people are unable to not take any pain to understand what I am teaching you through this video. So all of you now multiply by yourself. Now I am going to discuss one question which is not, it is a part of the volume and surface, but it is given in this part because the question asked you about surface area. So let's start. An open tank is 3 meter long. Okay, length is given, 2 meter wide, breadth is given, and 1 meter 50 centimeter deep. A height is given or depth is given. Question says that find the amount of paint required to paint its inside and outside. From both sides we have to paint it. And this is open tank, means one top one is not needed to paint. If 1 kilogram of paint covers 20 square meters, find out the amount of paint. It is little bit difficult one, but let me clear the concept. First, what is given to you? Write down length, breadth and height. And convert them into meter. 3 to 1.5. 3 meter, 2 meter, it's a 1.5 meter. Now, if we discuss, your tank is look like this one. And apart from this open part, we have to paint all the part. This one, this one, this one, this one, all the area, this one, and back one also. Now only this part is open. This part is open. So area we need these all 4 walls plus floor. So first let this area of 4 walls means area of walls, total area of walls equals to 2 into L plus B into H. LH, LH, BH, BHS. Then place the value 2, L, what is the value of L? 3 and 2, 1.5. It's a 2 into 5 into 1.5. It's a 15 meter square. This is the area of walls. Then there is a floor. So what is the area of floor? Let me rub the figure. Equals to L into B. It's a 3 into 2. 6 meters square. Total area to be painted now we can easily found out. Equals to 15 plus 6, 21. (15 plus 6, 21 meters square). Now as we know that in 1 kilogram of paint in 1 kilogram paint we cover 21 meters square. So for 20 meters square. For 21 meter square we need how much? 20 divided by 20, 21 divided by 20, it's a 1.05 kilogram. You must see the answer and where find out if is there any mistake, then find out the mistake and give in comment part only the mistakes. Need not to give in comment part. See where is what is question asked to you. Question says that inside and outside, and this is the area of only one side. We have to double this area. So total, let me have the board, this part. Total area to be painted equals to 2 into 15 plus 6, that is your 42 meters square. So paint required, I can leave for you as a give the answer comment part, but I think that it is difficult for you. So let me start. That's why I'm studying. Paint required equals to 42 divided by 20. It's a 2.20 to the 42.1 kilogram. Now this is your answer. Now I'm going to discuss one question, and these questions help you to solve some pictorial based questions. In this question says that a photograph, I'm reading the question first. A photograph 25 centimeter by 20 centimeter is mounted on a card so that there is a margin of 2.5 centimeter all the way round. What fraction of the card is covered? So first try to draw the figure. Suppose this is your figure, photograph part, study one, clear? And as we know that it's 25 centimeter, and this one is your 20 centimeter, and this one is mounted over a card. This one, and this is your 2.5 centimeter. This thickness is 2.5 everywhere. No? So what is the new this length? In this case we have to add 2 times the thickness, 2.5, 2.5. So 25 plus. So this is the way. So first we have to find out the area of photograph. As we know, it's length into breadth. Length is a 25, breadth is a 20. It's a 500 centimeter square. Clear? Now what is the length of card? Length of card 25 plus 2 into thickness, that is your 2.5. It's a 25 plus 5 and exactly 30 centimeter. And then breadth, hope this is visible to you. Breadth of card is 20 plus 2 into 2.5. It's a 2.5. Let me check whether it's visible to you or not. It's visible. Please adjust this one. This is your 25 centimeter. Clear? So what is the area of card? Again we can write L into B. It's a 30 into 25. It's a 750 centimeter square. centimeter square. Now this is not the solution, it's a half solution. Question says that what fraction of the card is covered? What fraction of the card is covered? So for this we have to find out total area, find, and covered, this area is covered. So this by total fraction of area covered, fraction of card covered by pic by photograph equals to 500 upon 750 It's a 25 2s are 0 you cancels, 25 2 is 50, 25 3s are 2 upon 3 part. Clear? This is solution. So all of you try to solve the question answers given in your exercise 25A. Now I think you are able to solve all the questions. That's all for this video. Thank you.